Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today you're going to watch first graders make meditation jars, and afterward you'll have an opportunity to hear some of them share their thoughts about it. I hope that you love the video.
I feel happier. What makes you upset? Helping my mom with the baby. Oh. How does the mason jar help? It's I could feel good. And how do you get upset? Sometimes I get upset by feeding my chickens. Sometimes. What else? And when I have to take my baby sister to the temple and carry her and change her diaper. Mm. Now what makes you feel good about the jar? The jar? Hmm? What makes me good is that I feel happy and calm, and it makes me a little bit happier. Is that it? Yeah. Good job. What is something that makes you upset? The coldness. I hate cold because it's too freezing. How does the mind jar help you? by the sprinkles, making my brain turn on, make my brain be crazy, and then get the good stuff. What's something that makes you feel sick? Mm, mm, Getting in trouble. Why? That sometimes I don't share all my toys. Now, how does a jar help? It makes my brain feel better. What is something that makes you mad or sad? Um, my brother get my toys or go to the shop. What's that thing that give you mad to you? What's that? I have no friends and think my when my brother always wins. How does jar help you? Really good. It makes me happy and it helps me really good. How about you? And I be more happy and I have more friends in the school. Me too. What makes you mad? A rainy day schedule. How did the jar help you? By shaking the bottle and telling my jar. I said, what thing that makes you upset? Having to have my cousin in my room. Yeah. What makes you feel better? Mm, Shaking it up like this, then watching all the black glitter settle down. Mm.
I hope that you enjoyed watching the first graders make their meditation jars. If this seems like something you'd like to try, I'll include a link in the description box below to a video showing everything you need and how to make a meditation jar. That's all that I have for you today, but I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.